How to sell your designs on Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can sell your designs on Canva. So now let's just begin. So first what you'll want to do is create a Canva's creator account. So as you can see on my normal Canva I'm already logged in. So here what I want you guys to do is go to another browser and search for Canva creators and then go to the first link. So after you go there, tap on become a creator, and after you do so, here I want you to choose one. You can either create templates free or pro. You can create elements like illustrations, icons, videos, and photos, or even educational resources. So choose one of these and tap on apply. So after you do so, as you can see right here, they say that they have enough applicants right now, so they can't really process your application, but there needs to be a short training course after you've been accepted to Canva for Canva. So after you just there's enough space and they work on it, they will get in touch with you after they have accepted your application. So all you need to do right now is just wait, and after you wait you will be accepted, and after you get accepted you can just become a Canva creator and then start selling your designs on Canva. So it's really that simple guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below, and if you're not subscribed, go down below and hit the subscribe button too. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.